Messenger, how to attach file. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can attach file on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to attach a file on Messenger, if you go and open the Messenger application over here, and what happens over here is that if you want to send them a file, let's say, you can see I can send photos, voice messages, emojis, and if I tap on the plus icon here as well, I can send location and I can play games with this person. But where is the option where I can send a certain document or a certain file from my phone? Well, Messenger app by default does not have that option, but it does not mean you cannot do it. All you have to do is you have to locate the file on your phone. So first of all, you can open the file manager application on your device, and you could have any files, right? It could be a document file. In this case I have an APK file, so this could be any type of file format that you want. Just make sure that it's not that high because Messenger has a file size limit. Now let's say I want to send this. All I need to do is just long press on it and look for the share icon here, and when I tap the share icon, I will be able to see Messenger chats. If you don't find it, you can scroll to the right and tap the more option. In my case, you can just select the file, tap on share, you'll find Messenger chats, and now you can actually tap the send option to the person you would like to send the file with. This way you will be able to actually attach file on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.